You search for how to buy shares of Charter Communications, Inc. Charter is a cable, broadband, and media company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CHTR. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CHTR to locate the Charter Communications listing. Make sure you select the correct stock from the search results. Open the stock page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the page refers to Charter Communications before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for market hours, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio and update with market activity. The example link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow this demonstration.